If you look for an extra hike, Machu Picchu mountain, it's an option to hike from Machu Picchu, Inca Citadel. It takes more or less about 3 hours up and down, and the views are stunning up here. And the amazing view to the Salcantay Glacier. And in a distance we can also see the Puma Finger glaciers, Pumacillo, the Quechua name. What you can say for the video?
Hi, we did it!
You made it, yes.
We made it.
Happy to make it as well one more time here. See the elevation there.
Yeah.
The view of Machu Picchu from a different angle.